Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Quick update, we sold the Lexus GS 430. If you guys haven't seen that video, please go ahead and watch it. This is a video to show how we got my Acura NSX starting. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and let's get back to the video. We got the car starting, and I'm pretty thrilled about it, pretty happy that I did, because when I bought the car didn't even run, so it was a big relief that we got it starting. And it was actually what the previous seller told me it was, which was the alarm. You know, it came with just the key. It came with just the key itself right here, which is pretty cool key, huh? I think that's pretty cool. Supposedly this is like a titanium key for the NSX. It's pretty heavy too. So anyways, when I bought the car, this is what they only gave me. Just one key. No alarm, no fob, no alarm fob or anything. So every time we tried to start the car, the alarm wouldn't crank over. So it had to do something with the ignition. We had to go look for the alarm box, the security box, and the security box was on the passenger side behind this plate right here. So I already taken it out already. It was held by 3 number 10s, one here, one there, one up here. After you remove it, this plate comes out, extension. It comes out like that, you see. Just put that aside. So this is our new alarm box. It's not something. It's not anything fancy. I didn't want to buy anything that was expensive when it comes to alarm box, because I think all car alarms are all the same. So this had some really good reviews on Amazon. It had like almost a 5-star review, and it was cheap. I think it was only like 30 bucks. It had a really good review on it, so I just bought it. And I took this car. My buddy works at a alarm shop, so he came through, and he printed out like a diagram of all the wires and stuff like that, and he ending up just unplugging it. This is unplugging it to the main security box, the main security alarm box, which is above the glove compartment. So he unplugged it, and then he tapped the wires into the car, because the car was still armed, and even though we tried to unplug it from the alarm box, it still wouldn't turn on. So it needed power. So he rewired everything again, and then it took him like less than an hour to do it. You know, just like splicing it, and then putting it, and then plugging it up, and then you can also just go to an alarm shop. You know, they only charge you for like maybe, depending on which alarm shop you go to, but it's not expensive. If you guys are not good at wiring stuff, just bring it to a shop. Just call them first. Say, hey, I have my own alarm. Can you do this for me? You know, some shops are cool. Some shop they want you to buy their own alarm, but you don't need and it could be with all type of cars too. It doesn't even need to be NS. Like, you know, like all this stuff happens all the time where people they lose their alarm key or is broken and they can't turn on the car. Most times you can just unplug it and then it will start up again. But for me, I needed power for the car to turn on. So I just end up doing this way, and plus I still want an alarm. So now I have a key fob. See. And now the car starts. Make sure it's in neutral. And that was all it was. I got a good deal on this car because the car wasn't running. The car wasn't running because of the ignition, and now we got it running. Alarm works. See, you can hear it. Lock. Unlock. So that's cool. So that's it for now. How I got my NSX running. On the next video, I'm probably gonna show you guys how I fix my ABS light, my SRS light, and my TCS light. When I got the car starting, all these fucking all these lights came up like a Christmas tree. It was crazy. I was tripping out. I was like, oh man. Yeah, it all came up, but I ending up fixing it. I'll show you how I did that on the next one. We appreciate you guys watching the video. If you guys reached this far, please like and subscribe to your channel. And thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.